to a video of Pixel Gun. So let's get started. So let's pick a good map today. Just doing a quick video. Let's try one round pool party. Connecting to server. Oh, there we go. As you can see, there's the heavy shotgun, night sword, medium wooden armor. So I'm gonna be uploading. My new thing is 3 a day. 1 in the morning, 1 at 4, and 1 at 8. So let's get started. Let's go. Oh, I'm already getting shot. Oh, shit. Oh, this goes a board. Oh, I died. Let's get flamethrower. Flamethrower. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get this armor. Oh, there's people over there. Let's get this. Damn. Let's go. Let's try this gun. Oh, there's health over there. So as you can see, we have armor. And let's go. Oh gosh. Let's throw this grenade. Oh yeah, kill assist. Oh.
Hey!
Come on. Not grenade. This is death matches, you know. 75. Come on. I'll be uploading more of these in the future. This is just part 1. Let's go. Hey. Lag. Plus I'm level 2. That guy's the best right there. Hey. That guy's using a sword. And he killed me with a sword. How? Oh, wow. Let's go kill him. Yeah. Damn. I want to get like good guns in the future. Come on. Oh, snap. Come on, let's go. Those 3 died. Oh, I was gonna throw a grenade. I want to get back there. Let's do that. Okay, I think that's the round. Yeah, there's a guy. Oh, I'm in the pool. Come on. Let's go. Let's throw this grenade. Boom. Oh, that did nothing. Let's get the flamethrower. Oh. Yep, I'm gonna do. Oh. Okay, 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I torture you.